Hey friends, hope you've had a good day here. Let's talk about Vinco Ventures, BBIG, ticker for this. So what is this? The fourth straight day we have been talking about Vinco Ventures in a row here. At this point, Vinco Ventures has pretty much done exactly what I said it would do as of yesterday, in which, you don't have to be a genie to see what's going on here. I think this is pretty much black and white. If you've been in the stock market for any time, you've seen how news reacts to stocks, stocks react to news, vice versa there. This was pretty much we could see what was going to happen here. So Vinco Ventures did not even make it to a 350 mark yesterday. Then today, pretty much just kind of flatline, really didn't say anything, went back down into a high $2 mark. Now, there's still a lot of news on the table with what's going on here with the Tyde situation. I'm not going to go into all that because that's been talked about so much. So friends, here's what I'm trying to say right now. This situation, like I said, we've been dealing with this for over a year now with talking about this explosion with Vinco Ventures. And I realize there are a ton of YouTubers that have been hyping this up and making this into a meme situation. And that's great. We could see an explosion here. There's no reason we couldn't. I'm very bullish on Vinco Ventures and what it is and the aggressive movement that happens with Vinco Ventures. We've seen that a lot with this stock. And this month would be the month for that to happen with all this news we have coming out here with Vinco Ventures and Tyde mixed in there with that. But understand, I am very bullish on this in the long run. I know there's people in here looking for fast money, and that's fine, that's understandable. But as somebody that's been here with Vinco Ventures for quite a long time now, talking about it and having a track record with it, it's pretty easy to follow along where it's going at this point and how it's reacting to news. So in saying that, Vinco Ventures did exactly what we projected it to do. I said it was probably going to go back down to a 250, 260 zone. It stayed above that a little bit today. There was not a lot of meat on the bone here today to play around with if you were trying to get in and out of this. Next week is going to be a better week. We've still got news coming up with Tyde, what's going on there with that. And Vinco Ventures is still going to be wrapped up in some news, some positive news here, which will more than likely drive the stock up. So tomorrow could possibly be a really good buying day. More than likely tomorrow we will see this hit around a 250, 260 zone. The way the market is looking right now, it is not looking good for this holding support for tomorrow. So if you're trying to get into Vinco Ventures, tomorrow would probably be your day to do that. Next week, like I said, we could see this move a little more aggressively with more news coming out here. Positive news. So friends, I probably will not talk about Vinco Ventures again this week. Tomorrow's Friday. We'll be talking about some other things here. But friends, just hear what I'm trying to say here. Like I said, I don't watch other YouTubers, but every now and then I see thumbnails come up, and since I talk about Vinco Ventures, it will show me thumbnails of other people talking about Vinco Ventures, and I just see things where I'm like, this is clickbait. This is leading people into a situation where they are getting stuck in something. And I have seen a lot of YouTubers come and go that talk about stocks because they are just hyping something up and they are getting people caught in stuff. I would rather be wrong on the assumption that something blows up than it just falls apart and gets destroyed. No one's going to get this 100%, but like I said, I just want to be real honest about what we're looking at here. I think this is a black and white situation. This is not the bull market of last year. This is the bear market of now and what we're seeing. This is a apocalyptic stock market right now, to be honest with you. Inflation is through the roof. The Fed is talking about raising interest rates June and July once again, 0.5%. So the market is not going to hold or support a lot of things, and there's not a lot of things exploding like, that's being whispered about and gossiped about on YouTube. So if you can get in here at a 250, 260 zone, I really do think that's a good spot for Vinco Ventures because, like I said, there is more news. There is more news coming out here with Vinco Ventures this month, and even next month we're going to be talking about quarterlies here again very soon, and possibly what we could see here. So friends, I love Vinco Ventures. I'm excited about Tyde. This is still a big situation. A lot is going on here. I wish everyone the best of luck here. And yes, I am wanting an explosion. I am hoping for explosion. The reason I say that is just be careful what you're listening to. This explosion, this pump, we have been talking about this for over a year and a half now. This is not new news. This is nothing. This is just something that people are putting out there, and other people are getting stuck in something that they can't get out of. So just be careful, please. Invest for the long term. Don't invest for a quick buck where possibly you're gonna lose your money, friends. This is not the market to do that with. Last year I would have said, yeah, go for it. This year, nah, don't do it. So friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in that future. Friends, I really do wish everyone the best of luck with this one. Like I said, tomorrow, probably about a 250, 270. Hey, who knows? Maybe I'll be wrong. Maybe we'll see a $3 mark here again. But more than likely, the way the news is breaking right now, the market will be trashed again tomorrow. So friends, I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.